Orange Fanta. Orange Fanta is the version most people recognize immediately. It first appeared during World War II in Germany, when Coca-Cola's German branch could no longer get syrup imports from the United States. Instead, workers created a completely different drink using available ingredients, and that eventually became Fanta. The modern orange flavor became popular years later and slowly turned into the brand's main identity around the world. Its bright citrus taste is sweeter than natural orange juice, with a strong artificial orange candy flavor that makes it easy to recognize even after one sip. In many countries, orange Fanta also looks slightly different, because recipes change depending on local tastes and sugar laws. Grape Fanta. Grape Fanta has a deep purple color that immediately stands out on store shelves. The flavor is inspired more by grape candy than real grapes, which is common in many American soft drinks. It became especially popular in the United States, where grape-flavored soda already had a long history before Fanta entered the market. Compared to orange Fanta, the grape version feels heavier and sweeter, with a syrupy texture that gives it a dessert-like quality. It is often connected with movie theaters, fast food chains, and convenience stores, where brightly colored sodas became part of everyday snack culture. Strawberry Fanta. Strawberry Fanta focuses on a softer fruit profile, although the drink itself is still very sweet and bold. The flavor resembles strawberry candy or syrup more than fresh strawberries. In some countries, it appears as a seasonal release, while in others, it stays permanently available. Its bright red color plays a large role in its popularity because Fanta has always relied on visually striking drinks. Over time, strawberry Fanta became especially common in frozen soda machines and mixed fountain drinks, where its candy-like taste works well alongside other flavors. Pineapple Fanta. Pineapple Fanta has a tropical style that separates it from the more common fruit sodas. The drink carries a sharp sweetness mixed with a slightly tangy finish that resembles canned pineapple syrup. It became particularly popular in Caribbean markets and parts of Central America, where pineapple flavors already had strong local demand. Unlike darker soda flavors, pineapple Fanta feels lighter and more refreshing, especially when served cold. The yellow color also fits the tropical image the company often uses in advertising. Fruit Punch Fanta. Fruit Punch Fanta combines several fruit flavors into one drink instead of focusing on a single fruit. The exact mixture changes depending on the region, but it usually includes cherry, orange, pineapple, and berry notes. The flavor is intense and layered, almost like liquid candy. Drinks like this became popular because they offer something unpredictable compared to standard sodas. One sip may feel citrus-heavy, while another tastes more berry-focused. That shifting flavor profile became part of the appeal. Green Apple Fanta. Green Apple Fanta leans heavily into sour candy territory. It mixes sharp tartness with strong sweetness, creating a flavor that feels very different from classic cola drinks. The bright green color immediately signals that the soda is meant to be playful rather than realistic. In countries where sour candy is especially popular among younger audiences, Green Apple Fanta often performs well as a limited release. The crisp, artificial apple taste also works surprisingly well in frozen versions of the drink. Peach Fanta. Peach Fanta has a smoother and softer flavor compared to most other Fantas. Instead of sharp citrus or heavy berry notes, it focuses on a gentle, candy-like peach taste that feels closer to iced tea or peach gummies. Peach-flavored drinks have long been popular in East Asian markets, which helped this version gain attention internationally. Some people describe it as one of the easier Fantas to drink regularly because the sweetness feels less aggressive than grape or strawberry versions. Mango Fanta. Mango Fanta uses a richer tropical flavor with a thicker mouthfeel than many citrus sodas. Mango itself is one of the most widely consumed fruits in the world, so the flavor already feels familiar in many regions before people even try the drink. The soda usually balances sweet mango candy notes with a slight tart edge that prevents it from becoming too heavy. In warmer countries, mango-flavored soft drinks often sell especially well because tropical fruit flavors match the climate and local food culture. Berry Fanta. Berry Fanta is usually built around mixed berry flavors like blueberry, raspberry, and blackberry. The drink tends to have a darker purple or blue appearance depending on the version. Unlike grape Fanta, which focuses on one dominant candy flavor, berry Fanta tries to create a blend with more complexity. Some versions feel sweeter, while others lean slightly tart. The flavor profile often changes between countries because berry preferences vary widely across different markets. Lemon Fanta. Lemon Fanta moves closer to classic citrus soda territory. It has a sharper and cleaner flavor than orange Fanta, with a stronger acidic bite that makes it feel more refreshing. In Europe, lemon sodas have traditionally been more popular than in North America, which helped lemon Fanta become a common option there. The drink is especially associated with hot weather because the citrus profile cuts through sweetness more effectively than heavier soda flavors. Lime Fanta. Lime Fanta shares similarities with lemon soda, but has a greener, slightly more bitter citrus taste. The flavor often reminds people of lime candy or lime-flavored sparkling water with extra sweetness added. In some regions, lime Fanta is paired with spicy foods because the bright citrus character balances heat well. It is usually less common than orange or grape Fanta, which gives it more of a specialty feeling among soda fans. Watermelon Fanta. Watermelon Fanta aims to capture the sweet taste of watermelon candy rather than fresh watermelon itself. The flavor is juicy, sugary, and very aromatic, often with a bright pink or red color. Watermelon drinks became increasingly popular during the rise of seasonal summer products, especially in convenience stores and limited-time fast food promotions. Because watermelon already has a strong connection with summer, the flavor naturally fits the playful image Fanta has built over the years. Cherry Fanta. Cherry Fanta has a darker and slightly richer taste than many fruit sodas. Cherry-flavored soft drinks have existed for decades, especially in American diners and soda fountains, so the flavor carries a sense of nostalgia for some people. The drink balances sweetness with a subtle sharpness that keeps it from tasting flat. Compared to lighter Fantas, Cherry Fanta often feels more mature, even though it still keeps the brand's bright, candy-like identity. Exotic Fanta. Exotic Fanta is not tied to one single fruit. Instead, it combines several tropical flavors into a mixed formula that changes from country to country. Some versions include passion fruit, peach, pineapple, or citrus elements all at once. The goal is to create a drink that tastes unfamiliar and colorful rather than realistic. Limited edition Fanta releases often follow this approach because unusual flavor combinations attract curiosity and encourage people to try something new.